poppin' Pizza Pals? Yeah, we're gonna be playing the noise update today. Because it just came out. I'll be 100% in this game, or I'll be playing every single level in the game today. I love this. This is so goofy. Oh? Yeah, okay, so... So I've already started the file. But... I'll play it again. Nice. Trust me, guys, I'm good at this game. I know how to play the noise. I'm so good. I love the way that like they just changed the title card song to just be the noise sound effect played to the tune of the song. It'll be like la 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 la. Yippee! This gave me a lot of trouble. This mod. It's been giving me nothing but trouble this entire time I've been trying to do it. So, I can't do that silly funny dive, which actually might make some of the, if I have to try to do a lap, which I don't think I can, or try to run away from Pizza Face as the noise. I don't think it'll work. So that's right. You can now officially play as Noise. No more janky mods. No more janky mods trying to replicate the Noise's awesomeness. Come here. Sorry, mate. I don't know why the song is like this just for this one level. Because I started playing Escape earlier, and it didn't even have this song. And that's weird to me. So it's just John got it a bit different, I guess. Kill yourself! That was close. Yeah! Go Noise. Go Noise. I'm sorry, guys. This might be stupid, but I'm trying to get that achievement where you get a 99 combo. I want it. Because if I'm gonna 100% the game, I gotta do everything. I actually don't think I'm gonna 100% the game in this video, but we'll do the first floor in this video. I'll do achievement hunting off camera, okay? So that y'all guys don't have to suffer through that. I'm also gonna try to P-rank every level while we're doing this today. Kinda want these, thank you. Noise, you need to run, like, fast. Ugh. Go, Noise, go. Ah! Get him, Noise, get him. Thank you, Noisette, for pointing me on where to go. Yeah. So I can't quite run up walls anymore. I kind of just bonk my body off of them now. Yippee! Yeah. Got the John Gooded achievement. You love to see it. There I go. Oh, shoot, I forgot to kill everything in that last room. No 99 combo for me. Womp womp. I'm still a P rank it though. I still finna P rank this level though. Oh, this mod's gonna make P ranking levels so much harder. Or not mod. I keep calling it a mod because it's just literally so unbelievable that we can play as Noise now. I don't really like his control scheme as much, though. I could totally get used to it and stuff. It's just like it's gonna make me seem like not as great of a Pizza Tower player. Okay then. You wanna know what I have to say to this Noise? Unacceptable, man. Go! Run, Noise! Go! Ah. Yippee! Noise. Get in the box. That's right, give me the cheese, boy. Here we go, yeah. Hey. Uh-oh. Ah! He died. Rest in peace, Noise. That's terrifying. Dude, this ground pound is legit terrible. Like, you gotta be walking now. It's like my brother. My brother in crust. You about to really expect me? Ah! No. Please relax, Noise. What's your favorite part of Pizza Tower? Probably the part of Pizza Tower where the noise. Yeah! Did I turn into a noise-flavored donut? That's cool. Thank you. Dude, this noise update's fire. Go get him, Noise. Don't know if y'all remember, but okay. But there's an achievement for parrying 10 Fortnites, and I'm accomplishing that today. You weren't ready for this one. Right over his head. I feel like, oh, what the? What? He just bounces off the walls? Bro's bouncing off the walls. Literally. Go get him, Noise. I don't know why the game runs fast sometimes, but slow other times. That was scary. What did I do? Ow! Oh! Yoinky! Bro's bouncing off the walls. Gah! Man, I'm so W with this game. Yeah. What did I do to get those clothes? Whoa, he's hopping out the TV. Nice. Did you ask your parents' permission before doing that? Alright. Can I do the skip with the noise is the question. Totally, that was so easy. Yep. You know, there's actually no runs necessary. But I feel like the no bouncing off walls achievement could possibly be made harder. When I actually try to do this. You got it, man. I kind of like the wall bouncing. It's kind of cool. Okay, spaghetti. You tried to eat that stuff earlier with that fork, and then you got struck by lightning. Womp womp. Luckily for me, I'm still good at this game. Even though the controls are, like, completely altered now. I'm still good. Hey, what's up, dude? Let's gotta kill those guys. Hey, you want? Yeah, I'm already kind of getting used to this. Nice. You seeing the performance right now, fellas? Listen. I don't know if I could say that the noise pizza time is better than actual pizza time, but it's still pretty good. It's definitely a little bit more noisy. And I don't mean that by, like, loud. I mean, like, it feels like a vibe. Like, that's the noise vibe right there. With, like, let's go, and all that stuff in there. It's like, oh, yeah. Got him. So, like, I don't know why he bounces and stuff, but I guess it's because his skateboard's bouncy. Okay, my ear is, like, not popping and stuff. Guys, again. Rest in peace. I'm good. Bye. It's funny to me how, like, they didn't bother altering the title cards. They just noised them. They just noisified all the title cards. That's pretty funny to me. I have a bad feeling about Ancient Cheese. I don't know what it is, but it just feels like it's not gonna go well for me. You really want to fight the noise? Nah, bro, we fighting the noise with this one. Ow! Nah, I'm not letting you set me back. Prepare for the skateboard to be crushed into your skull. Yeah. Noise bomb. Give me the bomb, boys. Touch the rat. Okay, that's different. So now I gotta touch the rat. Oh god. Yeah. I feel like you can kind of tell which sprites are old and which ones are new. Whoop. I could see the noise. I could see the noise as moveset being helpful in some certain parts of certain levels. But like, specifically in this level, I just feel like it's not gonna go well. That was smooth though. I was like instantly expecting to have to throw the bomb. Can I borrow that? Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Thanks for the bomb. Bye-bye. Come here, come here. Alright. If there's ever a chance to get the treasure before pizza time, always take that chance. Peanut butter! Creamy peanut butter, yummy. Creamy peanut butter, yummy. Creamy peanut butter, yummy. I don't think you wanna fight me. I'm the nice buddy. Yeah! They just weren't ready for this amount of noise. Neither was I. Ah. Hi. Yeah. 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 Oh, this one plays perfectly with the noise. Uh-oh. Like, there's some parts of some of these levels that I can already see being problematic. This pizza time seems like it's gonna be hellish. Yeah, there's no way you could actually pull off a lap 3 with this guy. Ah! And I wish I didn't have to say that, because I did want to actually attempt one. And when I say lap 3, I just mean let's spawn Pizza Face. Alright, this pizza time's not as bad as I thought it would be, honestly. It's still kind of bad, though. But luckily for me, I kind of, like, adjusted to the moveset of the noise, so, I feel like if I knew what I was doing better, I'd be more confident to do a lap 3 with this guy. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Okay, we're good. I missed it! Okay, that's okay, that's okay, that's fine. It's just a little bit inconvenient, you know? Let's just, oh god. No, 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 no! Okay, well, we'll just go for lap 2, and then... Let's go get him. Go get him, Noise. Yeah! Yo! Okay, the movement was kind of going there. Sadly for Noise, movement didn't last. Die! Oh god. Ah! Bro, die. I love the Noise of Super Taunt so much. Get it. Okay, P. Don't P, but like, you know, we have a P now. Oh! I think I got all the achievements in that level. Besides one. Nice. Good job, Noise. Uh-oh. Guys, he died again. Somebody called the ambulance. Nah, I think I'm just gonna play this game. That's so precious. Okay. One of the hardest P ranks in the game. Well, not quite the hardest, but one of the toughest. I wouldn't say hardest, but it's a tough one. Here I come. Yeah. Hey man, good job man. You deserve that, man. Yo, I love this mod so much. It's not a mod, dude. Stop saying that it's a mod. Dude, this is such a good DLC. It's not even DLC either. It's like, it's free. It's free and it's just an update, so I love this update so much. It just feels so much like a mod. Like, I haven't been able to play as a Noise this whole time. And especially now that he has it. Oh, what the? Oh, god. And especially now that he has his own moveset, it's like crazy to me. Ah. Oh, I missed him. Oh god. Yeah. Watch this, watch this. Is that so? Just gotta be really careful here, man. Playing his noise with his whole new moveset and stuff. Ooh, it's gonna make Blood Sauce a rough one. Oh god. Huh. Gonna have to agree with noise in this one, fellas. Yo, it almost feels like that was like designed for the noise. That was such a good secret. Whoa. I didn't even think about those parts. They just ain't ready for this one. Soup. Soup. Sauce. Who knows what it is? Probably spicy though. Yay! The one complaint that I have about the new noise moveset is he can't. Ooh, no more uncut pizza man achievement for me. Arguably the easier one out of the bunch. So the thing is, if you want that achievement, don't go in there. That's what I did to myself when I. Oh shoot! Put on the business suit. Tell them noise. Tell them why they should invest in Noise Incorporated. The noise meters will go way down if you don't invest in noise, and that'll be sad. For who? Probably no one. Okay, so. So let's just. This pizza time's gonna be a little bit different. This isn't quite what I had in mind when I thought Blood Sauce Dungeon. I might want to not uppercut, I might want to super jump here to reserve my combo. Okay. Noise is calling. Look at your door. I don't think that's how that one goes, but. It's actually so hard to do this. This pizza time just got like 10 times harder with the noise. I don't know how. Hey, let's like, oh god. Yeah, okay. So like the way you can tell that this was only designed for Peppino, you know? Nice. Okay, can we, oh. Whoop. Oh, that's not that bad. Yep. Okay. So I just realized a situation. This pizza time is designed for Peppino and Peppino only. But if they made the Noise DLC without making any fixes, it's gotta be doable, right? Yeah. Bring the noise. Maybe not to the party, though. Am I even gonna make it? There's like a 47% chance I don't even make it here. Oh god, here it comes. I'm just saying, if Pizza Face spawns, I'm Dunyan Rings, dog. I should not have tried to P-rank this first time. I'm a first timer. Why would I try this? Oh god, 9 or 10. 9, 8, 7. Oh god, Noise. Noise, you gotta go. My brother. Yeah! Woo! Look at that. That was something. What the? Alright, let's beat Pepperman real quick. Hey, how you doing? Jesus, that was terrifying. The noise. Hey, that's a nice portrait of me. Bomb time. Ah! Oh, I gotta throw bombs at him. Got it, man. So, it's a little bit different. How dare you deflect my bombs, you fat piece of pepper. Yep. I needed like 3 points. Ah! Bro, if you thought the P ranking was gonna stop at the boss fight, bro, you're tripping. That's fun to do. Whoop. That's a fun thing to do. I like the bomb mechanic. That's pretty cool. Whoop, whoop. Hi, how are you? Whoop. Boom. Can I still uppercut? I can totally still uppercut. Yeah. Whoop. Get him. Whoop. Get him. Oh god. Whoop. Whoop. Come here. Wow. Whoa. Oh, I'm truly scared now. My shivers are truly timbered, or my timbers are truly shivered. Idiot. How about these apples? I'm not built like an apple. Go ahead. Yo, his uppercut is crazy. Get it, Noise. You gotta hurry, man. You like legit. How am I struggling with Pepperman? First boss in the game is going at me. It almost feels like I'm playing Pizza Tower for the first time again. Boop. Yo! I love that. Give me that. Uh-oh. Let's go. That's not how you're supposed to do that noise. Well. Now, hold on. Before we continue, or before we end today's video. Wait, what is that? Big dumb weenie. Oh. Okay. That's what you get for calling me a big dumb weenie, buddy. Okay. That's kind of cool. Candy wrapper. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna have all those. Why don't we just stick to the noise? How about this? Sorry, man. I can't pay you a tip right now. Bye-bye. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. Okay, buddy. How much clothes is there? 40! Nah, you're tripping. There's no way there's 41 clothes. Well, everybody, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you guys next time. Goodbye.